Hi guys, Sabila speaking right here. So in this video, guys, I'll be doing my top-down analysis just to prepare myself for the week ahead. Okay, so we are going to start with Euro JPY. So we are going to start on the high time frame weekly. So as you can see, guys, the weekly time frame is bullish, as you can see. Moving to the daily time frame. So the daily, we can really see that the market has broken this previous high over there. Okay, so now it's in the process of making high highs and high lows. Okay, so H4. So on the H4 time frame, so far we have a beautiful uptrend. Okay, but I don't believe that the market is going to come into this trend line here, because it's already moving to the upside. So we can just delete this trend line, and then we can maybe look at the previous high. Market was nearly close to coming to this order block here, but I don't think that the market is going to come down here, since it has made a clear uptrend on H4 like this. So now we are going to chase it all the way up to here. So I'll be looking for a continuation pattern to reach this high. Okay, so it can even break this high and make a continuation of higher highs. Okay, so moving on to H1 now. So if we look at the H1, if we look at the previous trends, the market was selling, and then the trend line was broken. Okay, so this downward trend was broken, and I was looking for buys around these areas here. Market took off, came back, I took another buy, it went up. So we are in the process of waiting for pullbacks and then uptrend. Okay, so from now on, I'll be looking for entries around this previous high here. This previous resistance turning to be a support, then I'll be looking for a buy all the way to this previous high. Okay, so the chart I'll be looking at from Monday, Tuesday next week. So moving on to GBP USD. Okay, we are going to look at the high time frame as usual. So the market from now is making a clear uptrend for a couple of weeks. Okay, so from here the market is moving to the upside. So I'll be looking closely to this previous high there. That's when I'll be looking for my overall take profit. Okay, so moving on now to the daily time frame. So on the daily, previously I was having a clear downtrend, and then this downtrend ended up breaking to the upside. So we are now shifting to the buying side. Okay, so now we are on the H4. The H4 is making clear high highs and high lows, as you can see, guys. Push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back. I'll be looking for a pullback, and then I'll look for a continuation long term. Okay, so as long as we are trading above these previous highs, it's safer to look for entries for a buy. Okay, let's look at this previous double top, which this double top there, which was broken. So now it's going to turn as a resistance for us to buy. Okay, so this was previous resistance, which is going to now be a support, and then we are going to buy from there. Okay, so we can maybe use the Fibonacci retracement for our sniper entries. I don't think it's going to come at the 61.8. Okay, the 61.8 is too far. Maybe it can come to the 50% and respect this previous order block? Maybe, okay. Maybe it's going to respect this previous resistance and turn into a support, and then which one I'll be looking for buys. Okay, so these are my potential reversal zone. The first one is right here, the second one is right here, and then the last one is going to be at the 61.8, and then I'll look for entry confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, and then take buys. EJ, higher time frame trend is a buy, and then daily time frame is also bullish, and then 4-hour is also bullish. Okay, so if we look left, the market broken this previous high. Okay, it took off and then came to retest, and then now it's making a continuation of an uptrend. So Monday, Tuesday, I'll be waiting for a breakout of the previous structure, breakout, and then a retest, and then here I'll be looking for reversal confirmations, and then I'll take a buy. US dollar, Canadian dollar, starting on the high time frame. So we are currently trading within this big range. Currently, we are at the top of the range, as you can see right here. Okay, we are at the top of the range. That means there are so many opportunities for us to trade this thing all the way down to this low here. But you must keep in mind that previously we if we look at the previous data from here, the market is bullish, bullish, bullish. This is a temporal correction. Long term, I'll be looking for a continuation of this uptrend. Okay, and then potential reversal zone is going to be here. But for now, we are going to look for maybe sells here all the way down for now. Okay, so daily. So on the daily time frame, let's draw our trend line here. I think this setup is not ready yet. Okay. Okay, the market has broken the trend line, but it's not a clear breakout because on Friday we had another impulsive move to the upside. Okay, we've broken to the downside, and then we saw another push to the upside, an aggressive push. So I don't know what's going to happen here. But this previous support was also broken, and this trend line here was also broken. Probably if the market is really going to go down, this is going to be next take profit zone. Okay, then Monday, Tuesday, I'll be looking for a reversal pattern here. Maybe I'll go to the 15-minute time frame just to really see what's happening inside here. So I'll be waiting for something like this, and then a change of direction. Then I'll start looking for sells maybe here or here. Okay, because this one we need to have multiple confirmations because I'm not 100% sure about this breakout here. Okay, so let's just leave it like that. Okay, so let's move to the AUD/USD. AUD/USD overall direction is a sell long term, but for now we are having buys opportunities on the smaller time frame. So long term, I'll be waiting for the market to come and take out the sell side liquidity. I mean, the sell side liquidity, and then a continuation. Okay. So moving on to, let's move to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, I was looking for this previous support zone to hold. This previous support zone, I was looking for it to do what? To hold this support and then shift the market to the downside. But now it's official that we are bullish because we've broken these wicks here. We've broken, we came to retest, and then now we are pushing to the upside. Okay. So if maybe we are really going to push, this is going to be my next zone of my take profit. Okay. So this was the previous double top formation, which got broken above, came to retest. Now it's in the process of making higher highs. Okay. Let's look at the H1. So on the H1 time frame, we had a mini downtrend which got broken, which is confirming for us that the market is really shifting to the upside. So Monday, Tuesday, I'll be looking for buys somewhere here. Okay. So maybe let's look at the sniper entry zone. 61.8 somewhere there. That's when we're going to be looking for sniper entries. But if not, then we are going to wait for a bullish engulfing candlestick here. Then we're going to take a buy from there. But if this thing just goes up like this, I won't look for entries. Okay. Same thing applies. If it doesn't give us an entry confirmation here, I won't take a buy because there's also a potential of a double top there. Okay. CADJPY. Weekly time frame. So on this one, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. As you can see, the market is moving to the upside. And then if we look what is happening now, we are having a potential of a double top. Probably this double top, if the market is really going to respect a trend line, respect this uptrend like this, then the market has a high possibility of breaking up, then come to retest and then make another continuation pattern. But on the smaller time frame, there is a possibility that we can trade up and down. But for now, we are going to look for a buy setup. So this is a current range, and the market is coming from this triple bottom here. And then if we look to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that the market, okay, from here it reversed, and then now we are moving all the way up. So my take profit is going to be here. So if we look at this, this is a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. The neckline is here, got broken, retest on Monday, Tuesday. Then we are going to look for confirmation entry candlestick, and then we are going to buy all the way up to here. Okay, let's draw this head and shoulder properly. This is our neckline. Then Monday, Tuesday, we are going to look for entry somewhere there. If we are going to take a sniper entry, we are going to use the 61.8 fib retracement right here. And then take profit is going to be somewhere here. Okay. So now NZD CAD. What's happening on the bigger picture there? So overall direction here is a choppy sell. Okay. So choppy, but it's going to the downside. Okay. So moving on to daily. So on the daily, I see a double bottom here. Okay. And then if we look at this downtrend, it has now broken to the upside. Okay. This is a breakout. So now we are going to examine what is happening there. Probably if this thing is going to continue moving to the upside, then this is going to be my take profit. Okay. So H4 time frame. H4, the market is making clear higher highs and higher lows. So there's a possibility that the market is going to reach here. And let's just look at the previous high. Okay. So this was our previous high, got broken, market came to retest. I think it respected a fib retracement zone, which is our 61.8 fib retracement here. Okay. And then from there, I went down to the smaller time frame just to look for a continuation patterns now. Okay. So we had, I think this is a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, broken, retested, continuation. Then Monday, Tuesday, I will look for another breakout, retest this previous high here, and then continuation. Okay, let's draw this properly. Okay, this was our area of neckline. Okay, or maybe let's just use this. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, I'll be looking for a continuation retest and a continuation again. Entry. So it would depend on where is this thing going to reverse from. So if this thing reverses like this, then I'll look for a deeper pullback. But if it goes up and maybe reverse here, then I won't look for a deeper pullback. So I'll look for something like this, that my entry is going to be at the 61.8 fib retracement for sniper entries. And then for late entries, going to be above 50% after the bullish engulfing. AUDJPY. So AUDJPY, we are currently in a ranging markets on the weekly time frame. But if we look at the monthly time frame, we are bullish. Okay. So we are bullish on the monthly time frame. If you just look at this piece, okay, we are bullish, broken this previous resistance, tend to be a support, and then the market broken to the upside. Okay, so if we look left again, market was trending to the downside to retest this previous support. I mean, this previous resistance tending to be a support, and then market broken the trend line, made higher highs. So if the market is really going to continue pushing, then this is going to be my take profit. Daily, the market has made a breakout of this previous resistance here, broken here, broken, came to retest, and then now it's in a continuation phase. Let's zoom into the 4-hourly time frame. So 4 hour, the market broken, came to retest. I think it retested below the 61.8, just a little, as you can see. Sniper entries here. Okay, so now we are in a buying phase on the H1. As you can see, the market is making a clear uptrend there. So if Monday is going to come to retest fib retracement 61.8, then I'll take a sniper, hoping that it's going to break this previous high here and reach this high here. Okay. Let's remove this. Yeah, this is the setup that I'll be looking at. But if the market is really going to disrespect this previous high here, then this will means that there's a high possibility of reversing all the way to the downside. But there's a high possibility that it's going to continue pushing to the upside, since the JPY is still bearish overall. If we look at the our strength meter, JPY is bearish while AUD is neutral. So there is a possibility that on Monday, Tuesday, the market is going to continue making high highs, and maybe this year this pair is going to make a new high. Okay, a new high for, like, let's see, since 2022 September. Okay. Moving Moving on to the last one, which is NZDJPY. Same thing applies here. I'll be looking for a buy. So my overall take profit is going to be there at this previous high. Then if we look what's happening currently, we are in a buying phase on the weekly time frame. So we are making high highs and high lows. You can see the market broken here, making a new high. Probably is going to come and retest and then break again. Okay, so daily. So if we look at the daily time frame, this is a ranging market. Okay, this is a ranging market. Probably this is our new breakout here. Okay, hopefully this is not going to be a fake out break. So I'll be looking for buys all the way up to here. Okay, so if we look at this current data here, the market is making high highs and high lows inside this. So I'm going to show you on our smaller time frame. Maybe let's start on the H1. So the market is making clear high highs and high lows since we've broken this neckline of a double bottom here. Been making high highs and high lows. Probably we are going to reach this high for our short-term TP. If maybe Monday, Tuesday, we are going to get a pullback, maybe a 50% pullback, or even below 50%, like 61.8, or even below that, then the trend is going to be a good entry. Because if we look at this previous high here, the market just went up. So we need to see some sort of a pullback. Maybe let's look at the fee from swing low to swing high. Yeah, 61.8 is going to be a nice entry because it's going to be also aligned with this previous this order block here. Okay, this mini order block here. Yeah. So that's what I'll be looking at next week, Monday, Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. But in most cases, Wednesdays, we are going to see new setups here on new pairs. So probably I will make another video just to update you guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.